this is a bowling game, and in this game, you just have to find out which one doesn't belong. Just need to, don't worry. Okay, Alan, it's your turn. Okay, which doesn't belong? Book, t-shirt, or paper?
T-shirt.
T-shirt is correct. Woohoo! Alan, choose your stripe.
3.
Whoa, good start. My turn. November, Monday, or Saturday? Haha, this is so easy. November! Okay, number 1. Teacher Angie only got 2. Alan, it's your turn. Eye, ear, or foot?
Foot.
Why foot?
Because I am yes on your head.
Very good. They're on the head.
2.
Number 2. Number 2. Fast, slow, and big. Of course, it's big. 4. Aw, it's only 2.